Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Farisah Irwayu and my friends Maudi Yuniarti Putri from the second group. Today we will explain about the reviewing of literature. Okay, let's see. Okay, the first one is about what is the literature review. A literature review is a written summary of articles, books, and other documents that describe the past and the current stage of knowledge about a topic. Organize the literature into topics and documents a need for purpose study. Jadi, apa sih literature review itu? Literature review adalah sebuah ringkasan tertulis dari artikel, buku, dan dokumen lainnya yang mana menggambarkan keadaan pengetahuan masa lalu dan masa kini tentang sebuah topik. Mengatur literatur review itu sendiri untuk menjadi sebuah topik, kemudian mendokumentasikan sesuatu kebutuhan yang diperlukan untuk studi yang diusulkan. The second one is, why is it important? Many reasons exist. You conduct the literature review to document how your study adds to the exciting literature. A study will not add to the literature review if it duplicates research already available. Jadi, kenapa sih ini tuh penting? Banyak banget alasannya. Kita melakukan ini untuk mendokumentasikan bagaimana studi kita atau penelitian kita itu bisa masuk ke literature review. Selain itu, literature review ini sendiri menyediakan bahan untuk studi dan menunjukkan bahwasannya penelitian atau studi lain itu belum membahas topik dengan topik yang sama dengan cara yang sama juga. The next one is literature review in quantitative and qualitative research. Literature reviews are different in quantitative and qualitative research. In quantitative research, investigators provide more detailed review of the literature to justify the major purpose and research question of the study. In qualitative research, the investigators use a limited amount of the literature in the beginning of the study to allow the participant views rather than the perspective from the literature to play a major role in the study. Jadi, literature review ini akan berbeda dalam penelitian kuantitatif dan kualitatif. Dalam penelitian kuantitatif, para peneliti akan menyajikan data yang lebih terperinci untuk membenarkan tujuan utama dan pertanyaan dalam sebuah penelitian. Sedangkan dalam penelitian kualitatif, para peneliti akan menggunakan literature review dalam skala yang terbatas dengan memikirkan ataupun memperhatikan pandangan dari partisipan daripada perspektif dari literatur sendiri. Kenapa? Agar dapat memerankan peran utama dalam sebuah penelitian. Okay, the next one will be explained of Maudi Yuniarti Putri.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Maudi Yuniarti Putri. In this video, I will explain the next material from Farisah Irwayu, and I will explain the next material about the 5 steps in conducting a literature review. The first step is identify key terms. Begin your search a literature review by arrowing your topic a few key terms using 1 or 2 word or short phrases. You should choose this carefully because they are very important for initially locating literature in a library or through an internet search. To identify this term, you can use several strategies outlined below. For example, write a preliminary or working title and project and select 2 keywords for a title that's central, the capture, and the central for your study. And second step, locating literature. Having identified key terms, you can now begin the search for relevant literature. You might be tempted You might be tempted to begin your search accessing the internet and exploring the electronic literature available on your topic. And third step is critically evaluate and select the literature. There are some characteristics of critically evaluate and select the literature and accurate sort. For example, rely as much as possible on journal published in national journal and use priority system for searching in the literature. And for staff, write a literature review. There are some points of the continue the actual written summary of the literature. First, using a style manual, and second, writing strategies, and many more. And the last step, the concluding statement of the review. The concluding statement of the review literature is several purposes. It summarizes the major themes found in the literature, and it's provided rationale for the need for your study. It's important. And I think this is for me. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, I think that's enough from me and my friends. We hope that this video can be useful for us, especially for me and my friends. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.